Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I want to show you something that I have listed in my Etsy shop. You'll need to hurry up if you want to get these because I only have 4 of them, 2 of each style. What they are, and basically what's different is the cover. There's 2 different versions of the mini album. The album measures 6 inches by 5, and it's got about a 2¼ inch spine. Now, what you get is the mini album is completely made, and all of the papers that you can use to decorate it are cut out and ready to go. I've just tacked these on with temporary adhesive. That'll be gone by the time you get it, but just so you can see what it looks like when it is completely made. The cover of both of them includes some dimensional elements. This one has a haunted house as a background with some bats and ghosts and spooky trees, and it comes with a ghost that is popped up on dimensionals, and the same with the enter if you dare. So that's what the front looks like, and you get all of these layers, so you have a really striking mini album. Now let me take these aside and show you what's inside. And as I said, the papers are not put on permanently, so they may move around a little bit. Actually, I'm going to take these off and I'll show you what's inside. So it includes some cut aparts, and there's extras too, and I'll show you that in a bit. So you get these as cut aparts, a journaling card, and there's a stacked pocket. Again, you can glue these down, and there's lots of different ways of embellishing this. You'll get some extra stickers, you'll get some extra paper. You can use things out of your stash, of course. You might want to use some ink and distress the edges. So there's a lot of things you can do to make this your own. This has a magnet in it, and you could use this image, or you could use what's on the reverse side if you wanted to, or even the ghost if you wanted to. So you don't have to do it exactly the way that I have. So this will open like that, and that'll open like that. So you have lots of rooms for photos. And as I said, you get different things so you can embellish these pages if you wish. So this will go, well, I guess we could go like that, that, and that. These, it's a 5 signature mini album, so there's 5 pages, 10 front and back. And there's also hidden photo mats, and the photo mats include the cardstock to put on them. And again, you can add extra stickers if you wanted to, and definitely get some ink and ink that up. So the hidden photo mats, there's 3 that are on the side, and there's 2 that are top loading. I'm going to take these and put it back in here so it stays all together. The next page suggestion has this pink background with the pumpkins, and there's 2 different versions of this. You'll see on the cover how it's suggested to decorate. But again, if you don't like that one, you could turn that upside down and use the back of it. Or take this and put it on the front. And then this is the top loading hidden photo mat. And again, everything's all cut, but it doesn't mean that you can't add extra to this. For instance, you might want to use a corner rounder around the corners of these photo mats. You might want to take some stamps and add some stamped images on here too. So there's lots of ways to personalize this. The next page has a pocket and a journaling card, and that is the hidden photo mat page. And then we take it to this page, so we've got this paper and then here. And you might think, oh, that needs some oomph added to it. And that's exactly right. This, and different mini albums have different stickers, but if you got this sticker, you've got some extra candy corn that you could add here. So just imagine a photo here with some candy corn, and then a photo here as well. You could take the boo and put it down here on top of the photo, whatever you want to do. This goes here. So this page has just a strip of this paper, which coordinates with here. and this cute little journaling card. And then the last page has these flowers with the spiders on it. Same over here, but if you wanted to, you could flip this over if you wanted something different. And for this page, I've already included, you get this little envelope with little goodies, but these little circle closures and some seam binding that you can make a closure for this back pocket if you wish. Couple extra things. You get some seam binding to make tags with if you wish, some of the fun fur in orange and black, and a couple of different colors of some seam binding to coordinate with that. You could even use this little paper envelope if you wanted to. And then the back just has some orange paper on it to coordinate with this paper. And when you purchase the mini album kit, you will also get this, which shows you the pictures of how it's suggested that you decorate it, but you don't need to do it this way, as I said. But I would first move around the pages before you start gluing, just to make sure that you have what you need to finish decorating it. And as I said, this one comes with this set of stickers, this, which would go great on one of those pockets, and then also some words, which would be fun to put on your photos. These guys, which will go on the cover, and a couple extra cut aparts and paper just to coordinate with that. So that is my Halloween mini album kit. As I said, there will be 4 listed in my Etsy shop. So I hope you go ahead and check them out. Once the 4 are gone, they're gone. So you might want to act quick. So thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day.